how do you find out such stocks? Leverage has to be directly proportional to your skills. Which stock will give you a movement? Where the institutions are active? Which stock is about to give a breakout? And quick profit and out. Welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, Dr. Seema Jain, and now I would start addressing you as investor and traders. So welcome back, investors and traders. What I want to do for you people is do the Q&A with my two series, 30K to 3 lakh and 5 lakh to 5 CR. Now, there is a lot of confusion you people have. First and foremost, I'm going to take, in case you don't know what I'm talking about, go to the channel and you go to the playlist, you will find two playlists, one for 5 lakh to 5 CR and one is from 30K to 3 lakh. This 30K to 3 lakh is basically just for few months. Our target is to make, a lot of you have written that our capital is very low, we don't know how to do it. So we are doing it from 30K, we are generating 3 lakh rupees, probably in 1 month or 1.5 or 2 months, whatever time it takes, but not more than 2 months. And this 5 lakh to 5 CR we're going to be making in 5 years. And I'm going to share all my entries day by day with you. Okay, now having said that, a lot of you have asked a lot of questions and a lot of you have been, um, writing various things. And I want to take up questions one after the other. Okay, so first and foremost, somebody has written, thanks ma'am for sharing insights. This is expected scenario when we do multiple trades. Okay, so you're talking about my trades. So I'll explain my trades. My first trade went wrong on Friday, and just to cover up my losses, I did multiple trades. Otherwise, my rule is to only do 2 trades. So yeah, that was my mistake. I will not repeat it. But when it comes to 30K to 3 lakh, we do multiple trades with 1 or 2 points. So I want to take up a question here by Yash Jain. And he said that you are misleading, right? He says that, yeah. So here he says, how can you say that 30K to 3 lakh when the capital you are using in the trade itself is more than 3 lakhs? In some trades, 5 lakh also did follow the channel for a long time, but this is not appropriate. See, we are trading with 30K capital only. I have shown you each and every entry. But if you're looking at my trades, we do multiple entries. If 30K allow us 500 shares, we take 500 shares, we take 1 or 2 points, exit, then again enter, then again enter, again enter, because we know institutions are active in this. So whenever we get the price at the stock at the lower price, we again buy it. So what you see end of the day is 2,700 stocks, but it's not that what we bought. We do multiple entries. So you are upset for no reason. This logic even you should have. I'm showing you every single thing. I'm showing you my ledger. It's not that I'm using any other capital. I have shown you again and again my ledger. We do repeated entries, right? So हिंदी में भी मैं बोल देती हूँ कि हम ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर हमने 2700 शेयर किसी स्टॉक के खरीदे हैं तो एक बार में नहीं खरीदे, 500 500 500 करके मल्टीपल एंट्रीज करते हैं, 2-3 पॉइंट्स लिए बाहर, फिर 2-3 पॉइंट्स लिए फिर बाहर, 2-3 पॉइंट्स लिए फिर बाहर, लाइक दैट. तो आपको जब एंड ऑफ द डे लिस्ट दिखती है तो उसमें आपको बड़ी क्वांटिटी दिखती है, बट हमने उसको मल्टीपल लॉट्स में किया होता है क्योंकि हमारे पास कैपिटल ही नहीं है ज्यादा, तो हम कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते. Okay, so that was one question that I wanted to answer. Second, somebody has written ki the price that you take is much lesser than what you give on the channel. So see, when I am trading, right, when I am trading, and before, like while writing to you, the price goes up and I know that the stock is about to move up, I give you people the most safe entry. Although for me, I take entry sometimes little early, but for you people, and sometimes I end up in losses also. Like I think the day before stop, if you see the screenshot, I have given a buy on, I think, one of the stock above 180, and I entered at 117.3, and it went down. I exited in loss, but you all make profit because I had given it after 118. That was a more sure shot entry. So for us, we do end up sometime, like, because we work on anticipation that the price is about to go up because of our experience. But to you people, I cannot give an entry before. Besides that, Every single trade that I do is given on the channel, right? It's not possible to do more transparency than that, right? It's not possible. If you see every single trade, let me just take you here. Every single trade that we do, we given the channel. So there can't be more thing possible, you know. In case you can't make money, I can't do anything about it. You have a look at it. Every single trade that we have done here, SGS I have given over here, Prince Bite we have given in the live market, Craftsman we have given here, GPCL we have given here. So all the stock, Masfin we have given every single trade. It's not that I'm giving you something else and I'm doing something else. There can't be more. Like, you make a choice, you know. None of our stock hit the stop loss. Of course, one stock which you people entered early, I think Godrej Consumer, exit. You know, I'm not saying that I'm the goddess of the stock market. I may also go wrong. So maintain your risk reward ratio in case stock reverses. Exit. It's as simple as that. And managing your money. And one more thing that I want to tell you here is that all our trades are generally unidirectional trades. Like, you will find them running for the whole day, because that is our selection criteria. We have a lot of things in place, we have a lot of filters in place, and when we filter it out, like, you have a look at it, SJS, you have a look at India Mart, you have a look at Sun TV, you have a look at um, uh, HDFC, all of them were unidirectional trades. So the filter criteria is like that. So that was one point that I wanted to find out, answer your point over here. And then some more questions that I will take, so that, you know, we all understand and move ahead with the same mindset. If I say something and you understand something else, then it's of no use. So let's see if there is a comment which I would answer here. So somebody is asking, how do you select the stocks? So this is a process, you know, I can't explain you here. One is, it's our proprietary methods. We have scanners, we have screeners, we have proprietary methods by which we filter out the stocks, by which we get to know where the institutions are active. And then we have a certain conditions which has to be met. Like, we cannot enter like that. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. 10 conditions or 15 conditions we have to be met. Now, I have taught for so many years and I have generated those conditions myself. I memorize them. It's easy for me in the live market to quickly find out the stocks which are about to give a breakout. So teaching that here is not possible. Objective here is to show that there could be a consistent income that can be generated from the stock market. Okay. And then I have also answered, yes, Chan, your question that 30K, how am I buying the stocks worth 5 lakh rupees? As I told you, you see end of the day, you see 2,700 stocks, but we have taken in bits and pieces. But we know we've done multiple entries, right? That's the difference. Ma'am, are you see? I'm disclosing when to enter, when to exit. I'm not, because you have to monitor your trades. Okay. Another one is saying for 30K capital, some of the stocks quantity bought is more than the capital. Yeah. So there are a lot of brokers who provide you good amount of leverage, but always remember your leverage has to be directly proportional to your skills. If your skills are high, you can take high leverage. If your skills are less, your skills have to be, if your skills are less, you have to use less leverage. So that means we use leverage because our skills are extremely high, our execution is very fast. So we take highest leverage. So that is why we can take little higher quantity. And there are many brokers which provide you huge leverage intraday. Okay, so that point is answered. We have shown you every single thing. Okay, then the trades you, okay, this I have explained. All the best, ma'am. Okay, thank you. Information, some inputs towards Metropolis. Okay, this, please show how to exit with small loss. So small loss simply means if I'm looking into those stocks which are having institutional activity. If the price even 50 paisa goes below my entry price, I will exit. That's the simple rule, right? I cannot take more losses in intraday. I have to only 50 paisa to 1 rupee is my stop loss. If it goes, because if my entry price is not triggered, or if my entry price triggered and the price reversed, that means I've simply exited. Okay. So I think I have answered quite a bit. In case you still have some questions, but again, the question comes: how do you find out such stocks? That you need to learn, that you need to understand. You need to spend time in the market. You need to understand where the institutions are active, which stock is about to give a breakout, which stock will give you a movement and quick profit and out, right? It should be like, uh, it should be like, uh, small profit you have to accumulate, and small profits will become someday big profits. When your capital will grow, you can do anything. You can generate passive income regularly. So I think these are the questions that I wanted to answer. I hope I have answered your questions. In case you have more questions regarding 30K to 3 lakh or 5 lakh to 5 crore, please do write in the comment box. I'm ready to help you out. I'm ready to answer your queries. And all the trades that I am trading are given on my channel, which is stockpro_online. Do not give anybody any money regarding advisory until you talk to our team, and the number of our team you can find anywhere. So number of our team you can find here. These are the various methods. Except these numbers, you don't have to talk to anyone else. Or you go to our website, you have a number right here, you can speak on this, or you go to about us and you will be able to see our entire team, right? You will be able to see our entire team. You can speak to our team. Their phone numbers are next to them. Like this is Saurabh, Piyush Tripathi, Shubham Gandhi, Akash Sarkar. All our team numbers are here. You can call up any one of them. They'll be able to help you out regarding any question, but it's better you write it on the YouTube so that I can directly answer your questions. With this, I'll be signing off. Stay tuned, remain connected. We will meet on Monday again, and let's build up our portfolio from 5 lakh to 5 CR, and see you in the live market on the channel, on the Telegram channel, and remain alert because we'll be posting our research, the best research which can make you money. The idea is to enter, take quick 1 or 2 points and out. That's it. All right, with this, I'll be signing off. Your host, Dr. Seema Jain. See you on Monday.